Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? It's a very bad news for all Stellar XLM holder. If you don't do this, what I told you in this video, you are completely in the loss. So don't skip any second and be safe from the loss. My brother, in last 24 hours, this coin is take a very short jump, and absolutely, it's a good news for all of you. But again, you can see in the last 1 hour, this coin is completely fails down. So therefore, when I see my friend this, so I will decide to make a video and be safe from all holder, my friend, from loss. So exactly, try to understand, don't skip any second. This time, my brother, Stellar XLM, one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, but in the current condition is going to be very critical now. All crypto market is very badly fails down, but Stellar XLM is absolutely very badly fails down. You can see, my friends, just only in the start of month, you can see they will take a short jump, but again, my friends, you can see they will fails down like a rocket. So exactly, there is a no jump. You can see, my friend, there is a no jump. If they take a jump for a short time and again fails down, so therefore it is okay to be, my friend, but this time you can see there is no jump. There is a no jump. So exactly, my friend, I will notify you to don't see, my friend, this type result, my friend, because when you see this type results, exactly you decide to this is selling time, but definitely this is not a selling time, because the price is come to 0.3 USD dollar to 0.2 USD dollar. So it's a very bad fair that if you sell it, so you are completely in the loss. So therefore there is no chance to you sell it in this time. But holders doing very big mistake, they are starting selling at the same time. So I just notify you, this is not a financial video, to don't sell it, hold it. You need to hold it. If you're starting selling, so you are in the loss. My prediction is absolutely, my friend, is going to be positive, because after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a jump. So therefore I know, my brothers, too. I don't know to today they will fail us down, they will wake up. But my friend, my totally prediction, my weekly prediction is tell this, my friends, to I hope, my friend, in upcoming week they will move up like rocket. So let's see to what they do, or what's my opinion, it can be right. Please tell me in the comment box. Absolutely, I'm so happy, I'm very appreciate if you comment now, like this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of informative videos.